Have you ever wondered why chicken feet, often considered waste, become a prized delicacy in Cantonese cuisine? Today, we are diving deep into the culinary science behind braised dim sum chicken feet to uncover their unique texture and flavor profile. Known locally as Feng Jujo or Phoenix Talons, this dish is a traditional Cantonese delicacy. While many view them simply as byproducts, chefs love these parts specifically for their naturally high collagen content, which provides an umami-rich and complex flavor base that forms the backbone of this savory dish. The preparation begins with a crucial cleaning and blanching process to remove impurities. However, the real magic happens when we apply heat, simmering these feet long and slow and rich. Sauces like black bean or soy allows the connective tissues to break down slowly into gelatin, ensuring they become incredibly tender. Interestingly, some chefs opt for a deep frying step before braising. This technique serves a specific scientific purpose. It helps break down the initial stiffness of the skin and joints, making the final product much more plump and easier to chew compared to standard boiling methods alone. Once cooked, the result is a pleasantly gelatinous texture that rivals what you would find in the best high-end dim sum restaurants. This rich sauce permeates every joint and tendon, creating a mouthfeel that is both slippery and satisfying, often described as a healthy and flavorful alternative to other greasy snacks. The appeal extends beyond texture. The dish offers a burst of savory depth. Whether steamed or braised, the combination of garlic, soy, and slow-cooked collagen creates a profile that is distinctively complex, proving that even simple ingredients can yield sophisticated results when treated with patience. Ultimately, dim sum chicken feet are a testament to culinary ingenuity. By transforming tough connective tissue into a silky, gelatinous delight through braising and frying, chefs turn humble ingredients into a sophisticated dish that is both nutritious and deeply flavorful. So there you have it, the science behind turning tough chicken feet into a silky delicacy. What is your favorite dim sum dish? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into food science.